So I bought a new shower hanger. Now the problem is that this is a standard length, but it's slightly shorter than the previous one it had. So when you put it in all the way, there's a little gap. Alright, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and 3D print this extra part that will cover the bottom and the top. So this is gonna be 22 centimeters in diameter. I need to go about 14 up. That will cover the base. And then to keep it stable, I'll need to keep another 22 millimeters going up like this, and that will hold it very, very steady. I won't have to drill extra holes. I'll be able to use the existing mounts. So I'm gonna go print it, and let's see if we can design one real quick and fix this thing here. Hey guys, so it took me about 10 minutes to design a simple thing here. Now it has a hole here to fit the bottom. Another problem I had was I'm gonna put a solid on top. So I put 5 millimeters of middle layer that's sort of halfway. And on top I have solid. Now in order to print this, I had to fillet it. So if I print it like this, then I'm gonna need supports. I filleted it so I could print it the opposite way. I don't need supports, and it's gonna have that hole. So hopefully it'll work out. I've also have a clearance. So instead of 22, I made it 21.7 millimeters. That way there's a tolerance. So I'm going to print this out in PETG. Hopefully it's going to be in one go. It might take 2 goes, who knows, but let me print it out and fix my daughter's shower. So here's the final result. I completely botched. I had it the right name, the right way, and then I switched it around in Korean. Now she's gonna have the opposite name every time she shower, but printed out pretty good. Only took 23 minutes, 20 minutes. Oh yeah, just put it on the shower. Just have it. So I made this, and it does it. Oh my god. Doesn't fit. It's too big. Okay, let's see if it fits here. Oh my god, it's too big. So I'll have to make this tolerance a little bit smaller. My measurement was off maybe by 1. And also this measurement is off because it won't go in. So make this smaller, this shorter. Sorry, Jenny, no shower for 2 days. So I finally got it working. It sits up a little bit, but it's very, very sturdy. It's actually a pretty tight fit. That's what I wanted. I shortened the top and it fits perfect. It actually slides. It's actually a perfect diameter. I put my daughter's name in Korean, so you can see that little fix. That's a really good new shower head. Before this would always break, but now it's very, very sturdy. There's tolerance. This is not going to break. It's going to last for 10 years. Yeah, 3D printing, baby. Look at that little part. Little part. I was going to make it go all the way down, but the problem is I need to make a similar length up going up. So that's why I had 5 millimeters of nothingness here, just sort of a medium buffer thing. So if I want to make it fit, I'll have to make it like this. Yeah, it's good. It's fixed.
Wow.